Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Friendly English Learning Podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm Noah. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Before we start, we have a small favor to ask.
Yes, if you enjoy learning English with us, please like this episode, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel.
When you do that, you help us continue creating free content for you and other English learners around the world.
And your comments also help us understand what you want to practice more, so thank you for that.
All right, Noah, are you ready for today's topic?
I am. Today we're talking about something very simple and very useful.
Yes, how to talk about the things you like to do in English.
This is one of the best topics for starting a conversation with someone new.
Exactly. So let's begin.
Noah, let me ask you a classic question.
Okay.
What do you like to do in your free time?
Good question. I like to relax after a long day. I like to read and listen to music.
That sounds very nice and calm.
It is. What about you, Noah? What do you like to do?
I like to stay active. I like walking and riding my bike when the weather is good.
Oh, that's great. Walking is such a good habit.
Yes, and it helps clear my mind.
So, listeners, you can already hear a useful structure. I like to plus verb.
Exactly. Very simple and very common. Okay, Emma, there's something English learners often ask.
Yes, many students ask, should I say I like to read or I like reading?
And the good news is, both are correct.
Exactly. You can say I like to read or I like reading.
For example, I like cooking or I like to cook.
Both sound natural.
Emma, do you like cooking?
I like cooking simple meals, but I don't like cooking when I'm tired.
That's very honest. I'm the same.
But I love eating good food.
Who doesn't?
So listeners, remember, I like plus noun, I like to plus verb, I like plus verb ing.
All very useful. Now let's talk about another word, enjoy.
Yes, enjoy is a little stronger than like.
And we usually use enjoy with the verb ending in ing.
For example, I enjoy listening to music in the evening.
Nice. I enjoy watching videos in English.
That's a great habit, Noah.
It is, and it helps my pronunciation.
I enjoy learning new things too, especially languages.
Me too. Learning languages opens so many doors.
So listeners, try saying one sentence with enjoy today.
Yes, maybe I enjoy studying English.
Before we continue, quick reminder for our listeners.
If you're enjoying this episode, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
It really helps the channel grow and reach more learners like you.
And now, let's continue.
Noah, let's talk about music. Do you like music?
I love music. I listen to it every day.
Me too. I love listening to music when I'm cooking.
What kind of music do you like?
I like calm music in the morning and pop music when I'm cleaning the house.
That's funny. Music really changes our mood.
It does. What about you?
I enjoy listening to jazz when I want to relax.
Jazz is perfect for that.
So listeners, you can say, I like music. I enjoy listening to music. I love pop music. Emma, what do you like to do on weekends?
On weekends, I like to sleep a little more and have a slow morning.
That sounds amazing.
Then I like to meet friends or watch a movie at home.
I enjoy spending time at home too, especially after a busy week.
Yes, resting is important. Listeners, notice how we talk about routine using like and enjoy.
Very useful for daily conversations.
Noah, do you like sports?
I like watching sports, but I don't like playing them very much.
That's okay. You can say, I don't like playing sports.
Exactly. And what about you?
I don't like watching sports on TV, but I enjoy walking outside.
That's a great example of the negative form.
Just add don't.
Simple and clear. Now let's talk about dreams.
Yes, we can say, I would love to.
I would love to travel more in the future.
Me too. I would love to visit a new country every year.
That sounds wonderful.
Listeners, this is a great way to talk about future wishes. Before we go on, one more quick reminder.
If this podcast is helping you, please subscribe and leave a comment.
Your support helps us keep creating new episodes like this.
Now, Emma, what would you love to learn next?
I would love to learn how to play an instrument.
That's awesome. I would love to improve my English even more.
Great goal.
And listeners, think about this question. What would you love to learn? Okay, Emma, what do you like to do in the evenings after work?
In the evenings, I like to slow down. I enjoy making tea and relaxing for a bit.
That sounds very peaceful.
It is. And you? What do you like to do in the evening?
I like to disconnect. Sometimes I read, sometimes I listen to music.
That's nice. Evenings are a good time to rest the mind.
Exactly. I don't like doing difficult things late at night.
Me neither. I don't like studying very late.
So, listeners, you can say, I like to relax in the evening, or I don't like studying at night.
Simple and very real sentences. Noah, let's talk about food for a moment.
Oh, I like that topic already.
What kind of food do you like?
I like simple food. I enjoy homemade meals.
Same here. I love eating food made at home.
Do you like cooking every day?
Not every day. I like cooking on weekends, but I don't like cooking when I'm in a hurry.
That makes sense. I enjoy cooking when I have time.
Listeners, notice how we talk about habits. I like cooking on weekends. I don't like cooking when I'm tired.
These small details make your English sound more natural. Okay, Emma, do you enjoy spending time with people?
Yes, very much. I love spending time with my friends.
Me too. I enjoy talking and laughing with friends.
What do you usually do together?
We like meeting for coffee or going for a walk.
That's lovely. I like having long conversations with close friends.
It's important to connect with people.
Yes, and this is a great topic for conversation in English. You can ask someone, what do you like to do with your friends?
And then listen and respond naturally.
Wow, Noah, we talked about so many everyday things today.
We really did, from hobbies and food to music, evenings, and spending time with people.
And all using very simple and useful English.
Exactly. Talking about what you like, enjoy, love, or don't like is something you can use every single day.
So now it's your turn, listeners.
Try to make a few sentences today. You can start with something simple like, I like to relax in the evening.
Or, I enjoy listening to music. I don't like waking up early.
The most important thing is to practice.
And before we go, let's leave you with a quick reminder.
If this episode helped you practice your English, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.
When you subscribe, you don't miss our future episodes, and you help us continue creating new content for English learners like you.
And don't forget to leave a comment.
Tell us, what do you like to do? We would love to read your answers.
Your comments are a great way to practice writing in English too.
In our next episode, we are going to talk about daily routines and habits.
Yes, how to talk about your day, your schedule, and what you do from morning to night.
Using simple English, real examples, and natural conversation.
So make sure you're subscribed and join us in the next episode.
Thank you so much for listening today.
Keep practicing, keep listening, and see you next time.
Bye for now.
Bye.